back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this winged out, smoked, very glamorous night out look right here. I'm so glad that I did this look because I haven't done a look like this in a while. I haven't done a black waterline or like smoked out bottom lash line in a hot minute. And I also did a smoked out wing liner, and I haven't done that in a while. And I haven't done it this dramatic at all, so I'm really happy on how it turned out. And I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys but to keep watching and like this video. All my social medias will be down below in the description for you guys to go check out. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I did this eye off camera already, and we're going to do the same exact thing on this side, and I'm going to do it with you guys. I just wanted to do this off camera because like I just wanted to see if it'll look good or not. We're going to go in with the Tartiest Pro Palette, and we're going to go in with this color right here, which is called Innocent right here. And we're going to go in with that with this Walgreens brush, and I'm just going to put that right in my crease. But now we're going to be taking the Tartiest Pro Palette again, and we're going to be taking this color right here. And the color that we're going to be taking with that color that I just showed you guys is this color right here. This one right here. That color is from this Wet n Wild little palette thing, that they're new palettes, and this one's in Rose in the Air. I absolutely love this one. It's so gorgeous and beautiful. But I'm going to take that orange with the orange in the Tart palette. I'm going to put that on the in the crease with the same brush, and I'm also going to put that on the outer part of the eye. And now I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm cleaning it on my PJs right now, so yeah. But I'm going to take it and just blend those three colors together. So now I'm going to take those two same colors that we just took, and also just take this color with it, put it on the outer part of the eye. So now I'm going to go in with, okay, the black. I'm going to take this Sonia Kajuk little eyeliner pencil right here. It's just like for eyeliner, for like gel liners and stuff, but I don't really use gel liners. I use liquid eyeliners or eyeliner pencils. So I'm going to take this brush with this Sonia Kajuk palette. I don't know what color this palette is, so like what palette this is, but you know, just go to the store and find a palette that looks like this and you'll be fine. But I'm gonna take the black just a little bit right now, and I'm gonna put that like really close to my lashes. I'm gonna do a thin line at first, and then I'm gonna build up. And then I'll just blend it out with this, what is this? Echo Tools little brush, and it's two-sided. And I'm going to use this side right here, and I'm just going to blend that out. And also, take time with the black. Don't rush it, because if you rush it, it's going to look horrible. And you don't want it to look horrible. You want it to look very blended and very, very pretty. So don't rush with it. Be very slowly with it. So yeah. Now I'm not done with the black. I'm just gonna like leave it for a second because I totally forgot to do this step before the black. You can do it after the black. It really doesn't matter, but I just prefer doing it before the black, because it'll just be easier. I'm going to take this color right here from the Jaclyn and Morphe palette. I'm going to grab this one right here, and I'm going to grab this Sonia Kajuk little brush thing, and it's two-sided, and I'm going to take this side and grab that color and just apply it on the inner part. And I'm going to be applying this a little bit different than usual, so I'm just going to apply a lot on the inner part, and then I'm going to go, just watch, okay? I don't know how to explain this, so I'm going to take this Ulta Beauty Glitter Tears eyeliner in Comet. I really want more of these because these don't get chunky. They're just so smooth and like they're just like, I love them. And because usually when I get these kind of things like the glitter kind of things where you put it on your eye and it dries or whatever, I've had some experiences with others that they just dry up and they get crunchy and they just do not look good on your eyes. But this looks so good. It just looks like, it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna apply that and then move it around with this brush that we were using earlier to apply the shimmer shadow. I'm going to take the Ciate London liner, the Fierce Flicks one, and just put it close to my lashes. I'm going to grab some lashes, and the lashes that I'm going to be using are the Eylure lashes in the style 202. I'm going to grab those, and the mascara that I'm using is this Great Lash mascara by Maybelline. And it's the waterproof one, and it's in the color Very Black. I'm just going to pop those things on, do my full face off camera, and then I'll be right back with you guys. We're going to do the bottom lash line now. So I'm going to take that first color that we took in our crease. I'm going to run it down the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take the second color in the Tartiest Pro palette and the color in the Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to take those colors and run it down there also. And then I'm going to take this Smoke and Mirrors eyeliner, and I'm just going to pop that on in my waterline real quick. And then I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and it's just like a small, thin definer brush. I'm going to go in with that black that we took before. I'm just going to smoke a little bit of the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take the brush that we took before and take the first color that we took, which is called Innocent, and just blend everything, just blend the black out so it's not like a harsh line or anything. The mascara that I'm going to be using for my bottom lash line is this Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in Very Black. And I'm just going to put some of that down there. And the lippy that I'm going to be taking is this Tartiest lip paint, and I have no idea what this is in, but it's like this orange kind of color. It's just a sample size, but it's very, very pretty. I'm just going to pop this on my lips. And then I want to put a gloss on top, which I don't have glosses over here. I have glosses all the way over there, which I don't feel like getting up. So I'm just going to use just a small little bit of this right here. But I'm just going to go in with this Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Peach Please. I've been really, really liking this lip gloss lately. And I'm just going to put it in the center of the lips. And then just dab it. So it has that glossy effect. So I'm going to take this highlighter right here from this little kit from NYX Cosmetics, and it's in the color London. And that's what the set's called, London. I'm going to take that highlighter color and the Jaclyn and Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop color, and I'm going to pop it in the inner corner of the eye. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I really like this look. It's so cute, and I haven't done a look like this in a hot minute, so I'm glad that I did this, because I haven't done black eyeliner or smoked out lower lash line in a hot minute, So I'm happy that I did this look, and if you are happy that I did this look, give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you guys want to see next. And also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and also there's a bell button once you subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like and comment and all that jazz. And I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!